KK Readings. Let's read together. Zootopia 2 Zoo Crew. Adapted by Natasha Bouchard. Illustrated by the Disney Storybook Art Team. Judy Hopps. Judy Hopps is a proud police officer. The job is her dream come true. She is the first bunny to join the Zootopia Police Department. Judy is always prepared and ready for anything. Nick Wilde. Nick Wilde is a sly fox and an unlikely police officer. He and Judy become partners after solving Zootopia's biggest case together. Chief Bogo. Their boss, Chief Bogo, is strict and does not have much patience, especially for Judy and Nick's messes. Chief Bogo expects the best from his officers. The Zebras. The Zebras are always keen to jump into action for the ZPD and are convinced they're the coolest dudes on the force. They even take the credit for catching a crook that Judy and Nick chased down. Captain Hogbottom. Captain Hogbottom takes her job very seriously. She thinks that Judy and Nick are more of a problem than an asset for the ZPD. When a case goes wrong for Judy and Nick, Hogbottom is glad to see them kicked off the force. Nibbles Maplestick. Nibbles Maplestick is a friendly and peculiar beaver who is eager to help Judy and Nick. She is an expert on reptiles and knows her way around Marsh Market. This is helpful when Judy and Nick need to find a mysterious snake to solve a case and clear their names. Jesus. Jesus is an odd reptile who lives in Marsh Market. He tells Judy and Nick that there used to be many reptiles in Zootopia, but that was long ago. Gary the Snake. Gary the Snake is a gentle pit viper. Though his bite can be venomous, he means no harm. Gary wants to prove that snakes are not dangerous villains. He knows Zootopia's true history has been concealed and is on a mission to reveal it. Milton Linksley. Milton Linksley has a secret. His family claims that they founded Zootopia, but he knows that a reptile really deserves the credit. Milton will do all he can to keep the city from learning the truth. Patrick and Kitty Linksley. Patrick and Kitty Linksley worked for their father. They are eager to take over the family business one day. Patrick and Kitty will stop at nothing to get ahead. Paubert Linksley. Unlike the rest of his family, Paubert Linksley wants to help Gary. Paubert is awkward and a bit clumsy. Judy is charmed by him, but Nick is not impressed. Despite his promise to reveal the true identity of Zootopia's founder, is Paubert hiding a secret of his own? Mayor Winddancer. Winddancer is Zootopia's new mayor, once an actor. He is more known for his karate chops than his city leadership. He is likable but not very sharp. Milton Linksley uses this to his advantage. He bosses the mayor around, but Winddancer may put his acting talents to good use if he is pushed too far. Frou Frou, Mr. Big, and little Judith. Frou Frou may be small, but she has a big attitude. Her lively personality helps her run the family business, once led by her crime boss father, Mr. Big. Her daughter, little Judith, loves her grandpa. Frou Frou, Mr. Big, and little Judith help Judy and Nick when they are on the run. Flash. Flash is a sloth. He moves in slow motion, but he is surprisingly fast behind the wheel. This speed comes in handy when his friends need a ride. Clawhauser. Clawhauser loves working at the ZPD. He is usually in the snack room rather than at the front desk. When Judy and Nick need assistance to solve their case, Clawhauser goes out of his way to help them. Judy and Nick discover the secret of Zootopia's true founder and expose the Lynxley's lie. They clear their names and Gary's too, but they couldn't have done it without their zoo crew. The end. Thank you for reading with me. If you like my story, please subscribe, share, and like. Thank you.